Good day and welcome to my oral presentation. This is Mico Angelo de la Cruz Santiago from Grade 12 St. Thomas ABM. Our topic for today contains title, rationale, main problem, and specific questions. Our title, the effects of academic stress on academic performance. Rationale, the study aimed to determine the effects of academic stress on academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students of SPCB. Main problem, what is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students of SPCB? For our main problem, the tables number 3, 4, 6, and 7 were used to get the t-test, which resulted to a negative 0.19, and its critical value resulted to a 2.26, which means the t-test is less than the critical value. Therefore, our conclusion is accept the null. Our null hypothesis is there is no significant difference on academic performance in terms of academic stress. For our specific question number 1, what is the profile of the respondents students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? The data table 1 shows that among 80 grade 9 respondents, 47 or 59% are experiencing US-TRUS and 33 or 41% are experiencing distress. While among the 82 grade 10 respondents, 62 or 76% are experiencing US-stress and 20 or 24% are experiencing distress. The data table 2 shows that among 80 grade 9 respondents, 6 students or 13% marked outstanding in the category of eustress. 17 or 36% students marked very satisfactory. 16 or 34% students marked satisfactory. 8 or 17% students marked fairly satisfactory, and 0 or 0% students marked did not meet expectation, while 3 or 9% students marked outstanding in the category of distress. 12 or 36% students marked very satisfactory. 15 or 45% students marked satisfactory. 3 or 9% students marked fairly satisfactory. 0 or 0% students marked did not meet expectation. In table 5, shows that among 82 grade 10 respondents, 9 or 14% students marked outstanding in the category of eustress. 29 or 47% students marked very satisfactory in the category of eustress. 21 or 34% students marked satisfactory. 3 or 5% students marked fairly satisfactory. 0 or 0% students marked did not meet expectation, while 1 or 5% students marked outstanding in the category of distress. 11 or 55% students marked very satisfactory. 8 or 80% students marked satisfactory. 0 or 0% student marked fairly satisfactory, and 0 or 0% student marked did not meet expectation. Our conclusion, Most of the respondents that are under eustress are very satisfactory in their academic performance, while most of the respondents that under distress are equal with very satisfactory and satisfactory. Specific question number 2, which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? The data table 1 shows that among 80 respondents from grade 9 that are experiencing academic stress, 59% are eustress and 41% are distressed, while 82 respondents from grade 10 that are experiencing academic stress are 76% eustress and 24% distress. Therefore, our conclusion, based on the given data, eustress is the most experienced academic stress both in grade level, while distress is the least experienced in both grade levels. For our specific question number 3, how are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? We can base on the table 1 that both grade level students are compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing. 43% of the respondents that are experiencing eustress from grade 9, and while 57% are from grade 10. 62% of the respondents that are experiencing distress are from grade 9, and 38% are from grade 10. Therefore, our conclusion, both grade level is compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing by eustress and distress. For our specific question number 4, letter A, is there a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under eustress? The t-value calculated 0.316462 is less than the critical value 1.9822. Then our conclusion must be accept the null. Our null hypothesis is there is no significant difference on academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. Specific question number 4, letter B. Is there a significant difference on academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under distress? The t-value calculated 0.091979 is less than the critical value 2.0066. Therefore, our conclusion must be accept the null. Our null hypothesis is there is no significant difference on academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress. For our specific question number 5, is there a significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress? The t-value calculated 0.040801 is less than the critical value 1.9747. Therefore, our conclusion, accept the null. Our null hypothesis is there is no significant difference on academic performance in terms of academic stress. Thank you for listening. This is Mico Angelo de la Cruz Santiago from grade 12 St. Thomas, ABM.